Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Heading down to the beautiful shores of Burtis Bay on Chautauqua Lake, the David Phelps webcam down that direction, a little on the murky side with some haze, a little bit of light fog down there. We've been looking at some webcam shots in the past hour off to the east of this out toward Olean, and definitely more fog showing up in the Allegheny and the Genesee River valleys, but that's going to be burning up pretty quickly today, and the hazy sunshine takes over region-wide. Visibility is definitely reduced down here in spots. We're looking at about a mile at Wellsville, also at Jamestown. We're down to 4 miles at Bradford. Keep in mind that these will fluctuate a little bit over the next hour or so, and conditions will vary greatly in between some of these sites. We're down even a little bit in terms of visibility up toward the Niagara frontier. Some haze, some light fog going on. It's going to be one of those hazy, lazy days of summer heading our way today. Hey, let's check out your wake-up forecast for the morning commute this morning as you hit the roadways. Here's what you need to know. At 9 a.m., you're looking at hazy sunshine, 77 degrees, up to about 85 degrees at noontime. Hazy sun intact, and maybe some patchy clouds to wrap it up for the trip home later this afternoon at 5 p.m. and 90 degrees. Yesterday, one of the computer models suggesting maybe an isolated thunder shower toward evening later today, and I wouldn't totally discount that. That is a possibility. Well, as we head over to the Super Microcast, we'll see what this has to show us hour by hour today. We've got the hazy sunshine going on, and it does try to spin up a few showers very late this afternoon. Then as we get into the nighttime, it's looking tranquil overnight. Not much happening here. Mostly clear skies initially this evening, then more clouds head our way late tonight. We have some precip lining up out to the west here at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. That's associated with a cold front, which is going to be heading our way. And as that front zips across the region during the day tomorrow, it's going to produce some rain showers, some thunderstorms, some locally heavy downpours across the region, and then that starts to wind down getting into tomorrow night. Now, behind that front, it opens up the floodgates and allows some cooler air, not colder air, cooler air to enter into the picture over the weekend. Let's take a look at your highs across the area. Now, the spots most likely to hit 90 today will be up to the north and northeast of the city. In fact, the north towns, Clarence, Amherst, you have a good shot of hitting that 90 this afternoon. 91 at Batavia. Down to the south, well, close to it, at least upper 80s down here at Wellsville and Olean. Back to the west, the computer forecast high at Jamestown, 91 degrees, 92 up toward Hamburg, Orchard Park, and west Seneca. And heading over to the roadways this morning, just sunshine, hazy sunshine after sunup this morning, north and south onto the Metro, the QEW, the main line I-90 into the Rochester Metro, back along the Lakeshore to Erie, PA, and along the Southern Tier Expressway. You're looking good. Just watch out for some of those pockets of fog in the Allegheny and Genesee River valleys. It's a very warm start to the day. Feels warmer than these readings, too, with the humidity taken into account. 73 at Niagara Falls, 72 at Buffalo. We have a 67 by the way at Dunkirk, generally mid-60s in the southern tier, and 61 down here at Bradford. Well, checking out the forecast details for today. Little change. Hot and humid, hazy sunshine. Slight chance of an isolated thunder shower toward evening, and the high temps 88 to 94 degrees, 88 along the waterfront. Now, coming up tonight, another opportunity to see the space station. We'll have that coming up for you in the next half hour. Mainly clear skies this evening. Late clouds, warm, very muggy, patchy fog and haze. 64 in the valley, 72 in the city. Tomorrow, becoming mostly cloudy, showers and thunderstorms developing, not as hot, still humid, 79 to 84 degrees. And as we get into Saturday, maybe a few showers very well off to the south and east of the metro, otherwise becoming sunny, less humid, 78 to 82 degrees. Is going to feel a whole lot better. Mostly sunny to wrap up the weekend on Sunday, and 82.